What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. Today we are doing something I've never done before. This is a retirement video. So I have some products here that I need to retire because they've either expired, they don't work for me, or they just need to go. So not necessarily products I don't like. These are just products that I need to retire. So some of them will get donated, some of them will go in the trash because they're a little old, but that's about it. So if you are new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders. We do a lot of beauty related videos. I love makeup like so freaking much, like it's not even funny. And I usually drop stuff. So if you're interested in that sort of stuff, make sure you're subscribed to my video. Make sure you leave me a message down below and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I am so excited to do this video. I have been saving my stuff for like months and I'm like, yeah, now is the time to do this. So the first product is a lipstick palette. I have zero complaints with this lipstick. However, I just don't reach for it very much. It's by Bella Pierre. It is their 12 color pro lip palette. I'm going to donate this. I'm gonna have to sanitize it. I don't know who I'm gonna give it to, but somebody is definitely gonna get this. So I really did like this. It's just I don't reach for it enough to actually justify keeping it in my collection. So it's being retired. Next up, this is a product that has expired. So this is the L'Oreal Palette Paris. This is the Pure Clay Mask. This is the eucalyptus one. It is like, you can tell it's old. I've used quite a bit of it, but I am retiring this. This is going in the trash because I don't need it. It has that old skincare smell. Like, it is definitely expired, so we're getting it out of the collection and we're moving on. Next up, this is another item that I did this with. This is my Cocoa Star. This is the silver eye patches, I think. Yeah, so there's still about half in here. However, they've hit that point where you can tell, and it's been 6 months probably since I opened them. So these unfortunately will go into the trash, so I'm retiring these as well. I also have the Acai Berry one. I didn't like this one as much as the silver one, but I did use it quite a bit. It's just, unfortunately, it hit that point. I now have learned my lesson. You cannot go through this many eye patches, so only buy one at a time, because I don't know what I was thinking, because it was stupid of me, like just stupid. So don't do that. Next is a face mask that I really liked, but I've had it for way too long. It has that old smell, like you can tell when something has expired, but I didn't use enough of it. It's a clay mask though, and I got this from Winners. It's the Detox Face Mask with avocado oil and rosemary. If I see this again, I will probably repurchase it because it was very affordable. So that is being retired. I just can't justify keeping these things. These things need to go in the garbage. So another face mask. Actually, I have 2 more face masks in here and I'm just gonna hold them up. This is the charcoal gel face mask. I'm going to actually give this to my niece. It's not that it was bad, it's just I didn't like it for me. It's like a gel. I haven't had it for very long, so it's definitely usable. So it's going in the donate pile. I also have another L'Oreal mask. This is the charcoal one. It is definitely expired as well. I used a good chunk of it, but I didn't get to finish it. One thing I am gonna do though, I'm going to clean the jars out and keep the jars because I like to keep jars. I have a problem. But I could make like my own, I make my own skincare stuff sometimes, like with my essential oils. So these jars are definitely very high quality. So I will definitely be holding onto the jars once I clean everything out. All right. Give me a sec. So next, I'm going to retire a mascara, and that is because I know I've had this in my collection for way longer than I should have. I love this mascara, but I can tell it's expired. It smells expired. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. I've had this in my collection for so long. Will I repurchase it? Heck yes, because this is an awesome mascara, but I do have to retire it, so it has to go into the trash, so it's going in the trash pile. Next up, this makes me sad that I didn't finish this because I love it. It's my Essie top coat, but it's like stringy. Like, can you see that? Like, it's past the point of no return. It's going in the trash. I will repurchase this probably today because I really need another top coat because my nails suck. Now, this one I want to buy another one of. It's by Dermalect Cosmic Cuticles. So it's a makeover for your nails. This is a nail filler, and I have really weird ridged, bumped nails, especially my thumbs. They're horrible. It's genetic. I have no idea why. Well, I do know why, but I don't know why I have it. This was so perfect for me. I received this in a FabFitFun. I wish it was empty, but I reached that point where it's no longer usable. I am retiring it, going in the trash. I love this though. I wish I had used it all up. I wish these things were in empties videos, but I just didn't use them enough. So Those two definitely going in the trash, as well as this one. This is like Sally Hansen or Hard Candy or something. It doesn't even say anymore. This is a top coat. I liked it. It's going in the trash though. I just need a new one. Like sometimes nail polish goes bad. I don't know. It just does. Everything can go bad. Everything. This is a lipstick that I'm going to retire. I think I'm going to see if my niece wants it. It's by Avon. It's not bad. It's just I don't reach for it. So like this is like one of those things that's going to go in the donation pile. Give to somebody who will love it. Unlike me, it's just not the right color for me. Also, this is from Clean Color. This is their Madly Matte Lip Gloss. It's really pretty, but it's very drying. It's just not for me. It doesn't look great on my lips. So I will definitely retire this to somebody who will love it a little bit more than me. So that being said, it smells like freaking candy though. I got this from Shop Miss A. It only cost me $1. Bonus. Next, this is by Gosh Cosmetics. I really like these little doubles or triple like quads. However, I don't reach for this enough. I'm going to just put it in the donate pile, leave it there. Somebody will love it. I think I used it like twice. Like it was just something that wasn't loved. Same with this LA Colors eyeshadow palette. I normally would have used this, except I have too many palettes in my collection. But this was just so cool because it's just like some matte browns and it's just perfect for transition shades. However, it doesn't get loved enough with me, so I do have to donate it to somebody else. This one was a hard decision for me. This is the True Naked Dazed palette from CoverGirl. I did do a video and I said I was going to do a second one, but I didn't bother. These are not the shadows for me. I do not need to reach for this when I have other colorful palettes in my collection, especially like, look at my crazy blue eyeshadow today. I used my James Charles palette. I have other colorful shadows behind me. Like this is just not the right one for me, so it's definitely going in the donate pile. This LA Color eyeshadow palette, I've had this for a while. It's usable. You could use this, but I'm going to put it in the trash because I've had it for too long. It's not good. All right, this next one, this is by Santi. This is the Glam Eyes Twin Eyeshadow. These are really nice, but I have so many other eyeshadows that to keep a little one like this, it just is not feasible for me. So it's going in the donate pile. I hope somebody else can love it. This one is the NARS Orgasm Lipstick. It's the trial size and I absolutely hate. I don't like this enough for me, but I do know somebody who will love it, so I'm going to pass this along. It's just too sheer for me. As a lip topper I can use it, but I don't want to take too many steps when it comes to lips right now, so meh. I do have another lipstick from Avon. This is a matte lipstick in the shade Blush Nude. Now, there's nothing wrong with this lipstick, but it's just I'm not going to use it, so I'm putting it in the retirement pile. It'll definitely be a donation. Next up, this is by Dolce. This is their Luscious Lip Stain. I just don't use this, so I'm going to put it in here. I've heard a lot of people say that they don't like it. I actually wore it once, and I didn't mind it, but it's just not, it's not the color for me, so I'm going to put it in the donation pile. All right. And we're almost there. We're almost there. I'm almost at the end. So this is an eyeshadow stick. This is by Ico Fat Eye Stick by Ico London. That's it right there. It's not bad, but I don't reach for eyeshadow sticks, so it's definitely going in my retirement pile. I'm going to donate this to somebody I know will love it. And last but not least, this is by Makeup Forever. This is their liquid lipstick in the shade Artist. It's just it's just not the right color for me, so I'm definitely going to put this in the donate pile. Somebody will love this. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I need to do more videos like this. Let me know in the comments below if you like this type of video. If you're like, stick to the makeup, Amanda, we don't want to see it, because it's totally cool if that's how you feel. So I cannot thank you guys enough for hanging out with me today. Thank you guys so much. I love filming these types of videos. I have some more for you coming up soon, so thanks so much. Make sure you do give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.